What's up, Lunar Bikes? How to make a crank guard from an old plastic bottle. Unscrew the pedals and clean the crank arm. Then place the cut piece on the bottle on the crank arm. Use a cheat gun to adjust the shape. Be careful, hot. Remember about gloves. Now cut off the neck of the bottle and cheat on. And cheat it strongly until the plastic becomes malleable. Once it is soft, shape it uniformly in a crank shape. Then take care of the hole for the pedals, form it warm and cut in it with a knife on the other side repeated. Cut the bottle at this point. Now he can tighten the pedals and sand out excess unevenness ready. Cool! Recycling plastic to protect your bike. Let's check how it works in the field. It's really good shield for the crank. This guard protects crank from the scratches, stones, dirts and others. Thanks for watching.